Namaste everyone, welcome back to your own channel Rising Partner. My name is Sheetal, and guys, today in this video I am going to tell you about the multiple openings with Swiggy. So Swiggy is hiring for different profiles. So approximate 134 positions are open with Swiggy, and these are open for approximate 14 locations in India. So there are lots of openings and number of people can apply because they are hiring for different categories. They are hiring for IT, they are hiring for kitchen, they are hiring for the sales and marketing, they are hiring for the customer service. So each and every kind of job openings are there. Freshers can also apply. There are some jobs for the freshers, there are some jobs for the experienced candidates, and some of the jobs can be work from home and some of the job can be work from office. So the particular profile will be work from office or work from home, that you will get to know once you will apply and you will get a call from the HR. So now in this video further I am going to tell you each and every details here. But before that I have a request, guys. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, you are requested to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. And yes, at the end, if you will like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button, because your one like gives me motivation to make more videos. So let's get started. I'll take you to my computer screen. So guys, you can see this is a career page of Swiggy, and if you will scroll down, you will see there are openings according to the categories. So for example, you want to apply for IT, you can go through here and you can see all the opportunities available in IT. Similarly, if you belong from sales and marketing, you can go here and check the details. And if you belong to kitchen, you can check the details here, and this is a category of customer service, campus and corporate support. So what we'll do is, guys, we will go one by one and we'll see what are the openings available category wise. Before that, if you want to check how many openings are there overall in Swiggy, so what you need to do is you just go here in opportunity. You can see here approximate 134 jobs available in 14 cities. So if you want to search it from your city or from your location or from your title, then you can search it from here. So what we will do is we will go one by one category wise. So here the first category is for the technology, for IT. So guys, if you are a candidate who belongs from IT, you can go here and check the details. So you need to click on explore. So here 78 jobs available in 5 city. So इनमें से जो भी जॉब आपको आपके अकॉर्डिंगली सूटेबल लगती है, you can apply for that. So there are approximate 8 pages where these jobs are available. So approximate 8 pages पर ये jobs जो है updated है. Let's move to the another category. So business category में there are 34 jobs available, जिसमें आपकी marketing की भी jobs हैं, जहाँ पर आपकी sales की भी job है, जहाँ पर आपकी performance planning की भी job है. So you can check according to your eligibility criteria and you can apply. Let's move to the another category, which is kitchen. So now you can see कि कॉमी की job यहाँ पर available है बैंगलोर में. So if you are into kitchen, if you are a chef and if you want to join Swiggy, then you can apply for this job. Apart from this job, if you are looking for HR, so HR की भी jobs यहाँ पर available है, guys. So ये 7 jobs हैं, 2 cities में ये jobs available हैं. Apart from this, you will see customer service, customer support jobs here. So on my channel lots of people are there who are into customer support, who want to go for customer service. So like you can see here, the senior executive social media की profile है यहाँ पर. So if you are into social media, you can go for this. If you are into training, you can go for this profile. If you are into content writing, you can go for this profile. And if you are into quality, you can go for this profile. And there are 2-3 more jobs available into customer service. So this is for the senior executive customer service Bangalore. So you know, if you have experience into customer service, you can apply for this job also. So now what we will do, we will just open one of the job posting and we'll see how you can apply for this job. So let's open this profile, the senior executive MIS customer care. So first of all, you can see the job description over there. So job description की सारी details यहाँ पर available है. You can go through the job description. You can see what are the requirements they have. Like for this profile, they are looking for somebody who has approximate 2 to 5 years of work experience into similar profile. So if you are somebody who has experience into customer service in MIS, you can apply for this job. So what you need to do is, if any of the profile you want to apply, you just need to open that particular profile, go through the JD, and then you need to click on apply button. So once you will click on apply button, you will see this form. So what you need to do is you need to fill up this form, complete details, and specifically star marked column you need to fill up because these are the mandatory fields, and you need to attach your CV, and then you will have to click on I agree, and then you will need to submit the application. So once you will submit your application and your profile will be submitted to the HR will get back to you if the HR will find your profile suitable. So this is how you can apply for these jobs. So I hope guys in this video I've shared the maximum details with you, and definitely it's gonna help lots of candidates who are looking for job, because here, as I told you, the multiple openings are there, and the fresher candidates and experienced candidates both can apply. I have already briefed you what categories they are hiring for and how you can apply for this job. So I hope I've covered each and everything here, but still if you have any question, any doubt guys, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. I am Sheetal signing off for today. Thanks for watching.